Did you know you might be overpaying on Amazon every single time you shop? Today, I'm going to show you a free tool that just saved me $24 in under 30 seconds. Coupert is a free browser extension that automatically finds the best coupon codes and cashback deals while you shop online. With just one click, it applies all available discounts for you in seconds, helping you save real money on popular shopping sites like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and many more. First, we'll open any web browser. For example, I'm using Mozilla Firefox. After opening Firefox, we'll go to the Settings, then click on Extensions. Inside the Extensions section, we'll search for Coupert. After typing Coupert in the search bar, the add-on will appear. The first result you see is the official Coupert extension. Click on it, then click Add to Firefox. It will take a few moments, and then the extension will be added to your browser. After that, click OK, select Allow All, and then click Agree and Start. Now the extension is ready, but the first time you use it, you'll need to sign up. You can easily sign up using your Gmail account. Once the sign-up is complete, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you'll see many useful options. You can even earn money through their referral program, and you'll also see how you can redeem your rewards. You can cash out your rewards through gift cards, PayPal, or even through a debit card. If you visit their website and go to the home page, you'll see a wide range of options. You can search for any product you want to buy. You'll also find a list of trending stores. For example, if I search for a winter jacket for men, you'll see all the online stores that currently have discounts on that product. Along with that, you can also see the exact cashback offers displayed on top. From here, you can easily shop from your favorite store and enjoy cash back at the same time. There's also a Super Deals section. When you visit Super Deals, you can see which products currently have the highest discounts and on which platforms. You'll find today's hottest cashback picks right there. You can see all kinds of products, from AirPods to return items and many other popular products. Basically, whatever product you need, if there's a discount running, you'll most likely find it here. You can buy any product you like at a discounted price. There is also an AI-powered option available. You can use the AI filter to easily sort and find products that match your needs and buy them directly from here. If you go back to their shop or homepage, you'll see that many popular websites are already listed by default. For example, you'll see Walmart, eBay, Trip.com, Best Buy, AliExpress, Lowe's, Kohl's, NordVPN, Sephora, and many other well-known brands. You'll also find trending coupons, promo codes, popular stores, and special offers. From all these different platforms, you can shop at discounted prices through Coupert. Now let's check whether it actually works on Amazon, because most of us shop on Amazon regularly. I'll go to Amazon now. As you can see, I already have 3 items in my cart. Now I want to see if Coupert actually finds any working offers for these items. You can already see that it's showing me potential savings like $15, $5, and $9. Now when I click on Proceed to Checkout, you'll see that Coupert automatically starts analyzing and testing coupon codes. It has already found 3 coupon codes. Now I'm going to click Apply All. When I select it, you'll see that Coupert automatically applies all the codes one by one. After applying them, it will show me the total amount of discount I'm getting. As you can see, after applying all the coupons, it has already managed to save me $24. Now we'll wait until the process finishes completely to see the final discount amount. After all the coupons are applied, you can clearly see that I'm getting a total of $24 in discount. That means, if I complete my payment right now, I'll be able to purchase these products with $24 off. Honestly, this is extremely convenient and helpful for daily shopping. Everyone wants to save a little extra money, and if you can get coupons while shopping, that's even better. You'll find all the details and the download link in the description below. I'll put the official link there so you can install this extension and start shopping with discounts right away. So, thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again in the next video.